Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to take a look at the history of Amazing Medical. And in case you don't know, that's a YouTube channel. I'll put a link below so you can subscribe. Before we get started, let's look at the channel's most popular video. It's titled Biggest Blackhead, and it has 6.5 million views. The channel started off as Amazing Medical with Ted. Ted's medical videos were loud and brash, and they got mixed feedback. Let's take a look at some of Ted's work.
Let's get right to it. Number 7, colonoscopy. In a colonoscopy, a probe is sent up the patient's rectum to search through the patient's intestines for any sort of disease. Here you see a doctor using an extraction device to cut out a polyp from the patient to prevent it from becoming cancer. The difference between a blackhead and a pimple, or what's known as a whitehead, is a blackhead is open to the air while a whitehead is completely covered up by skin. As you can see in this video, blackheads are extremely common on the nose of men.
Ted was a great addition to the team, but he eventually lost interest in making medical videos. So Adam and I took over production of the videos, and we decided to focus on pimple popping documentaries and clips like this. The channel has 77,000 subscribers and over 50 million views. Let's look at some of its popular topics. They include blackhead removal, pimple popping, and blackheads. Now, let's look at our most popular recent video in its entirety. This is Watson from World's Greatest Medical. While you take a look at some of my favorite pops, click that subscribe button for new updates several times a week. And don't forget about that notification bell. Let's take a look at this removal. What do you think, folks? Is this a mole or some other growth? As you take a look at some excellent ear blackheads, comment below, would you be interested in joining us for live premieres and live chats? Why not? Also, check out this cool Photoshop ear blackhead. Awesome. Kinda looks real. I might need to make it the thumbnail. Very cool. Now, let's take a look at some pimple popper tools. Don't forget to check out our favorite blemish removal toolkit. This beautiful 7-piece set is available on Amazon and will fulfill all your popping needs. It has a lancet for big jobs, a spade for those hard-to-reach corners, the cone extractor for big jobs, and loops of various sizes. This kit has everything you need to start popping like a pro. Each one has been hand inspected for quality, and the case keeps them stylish and discreet. Don't be fooled by flimsy, low-end knockoffs. Pick up yours today by using the Amazon link below. Thanks for watching.